What happens when a garbage truck drives into the door of your Ford car? You get a busted mirror and a nice paint mark on the door to say thank you for it. So to fix this problem, I went to U-Pull-It, found the mirror off another Ford car and decided to replace it. Now, there's no mirror videos for the Ford car, for the first generation Ford car, so I figured, let's do one now. So it's actually a very easy mirror to replace. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. You remove the Phillips head screw and you use the flathead screwdriver to help remove the hexagonal nut/circlip. What you do with the hexagonal head on the nut and the Phillips head screwdriver is you touch the Phillips head screwdriver at an angle to loosen the nut. Now, this is easier said than done. You just have to be patient, or in my case, sometimes scuff the car. But once I loosened it, it came off by hand. That therefore reveals the mirror. So, the way to get it out is to drag it out from the outside. So, there is a bit of jerking and moving around here, but it does come out reasonably easily. It hasn't got electric mirrors, thankfully, and it hasn't got any clips and connectors. It's just a mirror assembled. To put it back on, what you then do is you put the mirror on from the outside, put the little plastic trim part in the red hole to secure the mirror, and then you put the hexagonal circlip back on. But be very careful here. You have to make sure that the Phillips head screw and the matching hole fit together. This is where I had a bit of a problem. And any car that has had the mirror replaced seems to have a missing Phillips head screw, as the car I found the wreckers did. I don't know if this was its original mirror. So I made sure that I had the Phillips head screw in place with the hexagonal circlip. And it's on. Put the trim pieces back on, and you're done. It's actually not a hard mirror to replace. I've done a few mirrors on some cars before, so this one was actually the easiest one I've actually done. It's got very easy screws to get at. Well, one screw. And as long as you know the trick, it comes on and off very easily. That's what I like about this car. Seems like there's a lot of things on the Ford where it's just very simple to do. So good news is I've now got a working mirror and I can drive this car again. So, thank you for watching, and if you like what we do, remember to like and subscribe.